everyone. Today we learn trigonometric ratio, which is a very important topic for the mathematics. And trigonometric is used for right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. If we take the angle ABC, where ABC are the vertices of the triangle, and this is the right triangle because one angle, that is angle B, is a right angle triangle. So there are three particular sides: hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. We know the basic concept of the trigonometry, so we learn here only the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which three sides: hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base is here. Which one is hypotenuse, which one is perpendicular, and which one is base? Hypotenuse is the side which is front of the 90 degree angle. Means the AC is the hypotenuse. Means which is front of the right angle. Right angle, this is 90 degree. So hypotenuse is AC. And one is perpendicular and one is base. Which one is perpendicular? Perpendicular is the side which is front of the angle. Which angle we take, that is, this is 90 degree in front of this line, that is the ABC is the hypotenuse, and perpendicular, if we take the angle A. If we take the angle A, then perpendicular is BC. If we take the angle C, then perpendicular is AB. Perpendicular is AB. We can write this side AB and this side also BC and this side is AC. Okay. So perpendicular, if we take angle A, then perpendicular is this. If we take angle C, then perpendicular is this. In this triangle, we take angle A. So BC is the perpendicular and remaining one is base. Similarly, the side which is perpendicular to right angle is hypotenuse, and side which is the front of the angle, this is the perpendicular, and remaining one is base. Okay. There are 6 trigonometric ratio: sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A, and cosec A. There are 6. Why it is 6, not 5, not 7? Because this is the ratio. Question is arise that why it is called ratio? Why it is called ratio? Because this is the ratio and fraction of any two sides. Fraction of two sides means if we take sine, see, hypotenuse, we take hypotenuse H, perpendicular P, and base B. If we take this, so sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. See, this is the ratio of two sides. This is a perpendicular and this is a hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We have to learn this. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And cos A is equal to, so sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is sin theta. This is sin theta, or this is called sin A. Okay, we can write sin theta and also sin A. Okay, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos A means base upon hypotenuse. This is base of A, that is cos A, means base upon hypotenuse. This is also the fraction, the ratio of the two sides. And third one is tan A. Tan A means perpendicular to base. There are 3 direct pair: perpendicular to hypotenuse, base to hypotenuse, and perpendicular to base. There are 2 direct relation, direct pair, that is perpendicular upon base. This is 3. And I ask why it is 6? 3 direct pair and 3 opposite pair, means sin theta opposite to cosec theta and cosec theta opposite to sin theta. Similarly, cos theta opposite to sec theta and sec theta opposite to cos theta are A. We can see A. Okay. Tan A opposite to cot A and cot A opposite to tan A. We can see sin A is opposite to cosec A, means sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. We can write here sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Similarly, tan A opposite to cot A means tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. And cos A reverse to cosec A. So, sin is equal to cosec. This is cos A. Okay. Sec A opposite to cos A means sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. And also we can write cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Similarly, sin A reverse to cosec A and cosec A reverse to sin A. So, sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A and cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Similarly, tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A and cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. And sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A and cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. Simple. So this is the basic concept of trigonometry. Trigonometry uses a right angle triangle in which three sides perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Side which is front of the 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse, and perpendicular which is front of the angle, and remaining one is base. There are 6 trigonometric ratio, 3 is direct pair and 3 is opposite pair. So with this is direct pair. Cot A perpendicular upon base means cot A opposite to this, base upon perpendicular. Cosec A, sec A is opposite to cos A. So cos is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse upon base. Sin is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. If we write this in the form of sin perpendicular, that is BC, and hypotenuse, that is AC. Similarly, this base, that is AB upon AC. We can write this also. Okay. So this is the basic trigonometric ratio. One thing was more. Few students are very confused here. So to remove that confusion, we tell something. Sin A not equal to sin A. This is not equal. This is different. This is the angle. So we can write this, not like this. Okay? We cannot take a space here. This is also wrong. This is the correct only. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. So this is not equal to this and this. Okay. If you take a question here, if we take this triangle like this, and this is right angle, this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is the angle. If we want to write sin B, then what is the formula? We learn all this if we getting all the points. So if you want to write sin B, this is sin B. If you want to write sin B, then what is this? See, I tell you, sin B is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. I don't know which one is hypotenuse and which one is perpendicular. So, remind that formula. The side which is front of the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse, and the side which is the front of the angle, that is B, is a perpendicular, and remaining one is base. So we have to sin B. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse means perpendicular is AC and hypotenuse is BC. So we can write sin B is equal to AC upon BC. Okay, this is the basic concept of the trigonometric ratio, and we learn all these topic very clearly and don't have to learn anything. We have getting, understand how to do this. Don't remind the answers. This sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Only you have to learn 3, and 3 was the reverse of the other. Okay, as I explained here. Okay, thank you. Good luck.